Have you ever wondered if your email or password has been leaked online? Over the years, some of the biggest companies in the world have suffered from massive data breaches. In 2012, LinkedIn was breached, exposing over 117 million email addresses and passwords. In 2013, Adobe lost over 150 million user credentials. And in the recent years, platforms like Discord, Uber have seen millions of accounts compromised through phishing and social engineering, exposing the email address and account access online for sold. Even today, data from old data breaches are sold online and reused. If your email address is included in this data breach, then your account can be compromised or taken over by the hackers. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can check if your email was part of the data breach and what to do to protect yourself if you found your data is leaked. The first application is Have I Been Pwned. Come to the haveibeenpwned.com website. From here, search your email ID. It will show you all the data breaches in which your data is leaked. It will also show you from which company your data is leaked and what kind of data is leaked. Like from this company, my email address, profile photos and username is leaked. Like this other data breaches data is also available here, and also it will show when the data breach happened, like this data breach is happened in May 2025. Now in case of checking the data breaches, this is the most trusted website, so you can trust all the data that is provided by this website. Now the second one is leakpic.com. Now this website is less popular as compared to Have I Been Pwned, and also this is less trustable than Have I Been Pwned. But you can use this to search for your leaked data. Now here you can search your email ID, username, password and also other things like IP address and domain. But I'll strongly recommend you to not enter your password here. You can check for other stuffs but don't enter for password, because it is not trustable till now and your password can be leaked. So here I will check for my email address and it will show you all the leaked password that is associated with my email, and also it will show the source, means from which company this data is leaked. You can use this website to check whether your data is leaked or not, but as I mentioned earlier, this is not as much trustable as Have I Been Pwned, nor this is that much popular. So this is your choice to check from which website. Now that I show you how to check if your data is leaked or not, now let's talk about what to do if you see your data is leaked. Then the first thing you need to do is change your password on the affected website, and make sure that you don't use that password before on any website. Then think about other websites where you use the same password with that same email ID, because once the attacker will get your email ID and password, he will try the same thing on multiple websites. So make sure that you don't use the same password and email ID any other websites. And the last thing you need to make sure that you enable the multi-factor authentication, because this will add an extra layer of protection on your account, so that even if someone have your password, they can log into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you learned something new throughout this video, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.